Hello friends, today I will show you how to make good PixelLab shape in PixelLab. First of all, you will open your PixelLab. When you will open PixelLab, I like this one, and then after you will choose this one icon as I am choosing, and then here below section you will find shape section. Yes, I write this, and then okay. After that I will choose texture. In texture I will fill a color any as you want. I am choosing as in type you want to color, you can choose. Suppose I like this one. Okay, you can see a beautiful star has made. Same in this type you can make also other shape. I like this one. And then after I will like texture and other color. Suppose this one. You can see it is a very beautiful look. And if you want to other shape, you can choose also same. Suppose I like this one, right? And then after I will choose texture. In texture I will fill other color. Suppose I like this one color. It is also my favorite. You can download in Google this font. You can see very beautiful looking shape. You can also make in PixelLab app this shape, different types. Very easy. It is very easy to make. Either you can involve in this your photo. If you like my this work, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Hope you will give me motivation. I will make same this type video, new videos for you. So please and take care.